Amazon just dropped something that influencers and affiliate marketing have been waiting for a long time, and most people don't know about it yet. You can now officially link your Pinterest account to your Amazon front store. It's available for Amazon associates and also for Amazon influencers. You can directly link your account and it will show you even inside of your profile. So that's great news. So today I will show you step by step how to do it, and it will take less than 1 minute and will definitely make your life and creating pins with products easier and fast. So once you link your account, what does it mean? It means that you can directly tag products from your Amazon inside of Pinterest without having to leave Pinterest, and it's gonna track your sales easily, just like every other affiliate link you created from Amazon. But now you don't need to go to the Amazon website, search for the product, create the affiliate link, go back to Pinterest and use that link for tagging your product. So it's gonna be much easier. You will be able to do everything inside of Pinterest, and I will show you step by step today how to link your account and after how to create the tags for the products. Pinterest is one of the highest conversion platforms for affiliate marketing. If you've been using Pinterest to drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate links, this is gonna be very helpful. This connection with Amazon officially changes everything. So let's get into it because it's very easy. So the first step is to go to your Pinterest account and click on Accounts and More Options. Then go to Link to Pinterest and scroll down until you find the Amazon Storefront. Simply click on Link, then Link Account. You will be redirected to the Amazon website. So just sign in into your account, select the account you want to use to link to your Pinterest, and it's done. It will be connected to your account. Seriously, that's this easy and takes just less than a minute. Now you will see your Amazon front store linked in your profile at the profile homepage, which is great. But what will make your workflow even easier is tagging the products inside of Pinterest without having to go to the Amazon website. Now all you have to do is simply publish a pin like you would normally do it. So just go to create a pin, upload the image of the product and add your pin description, your pin title, any tags that you want, and now you're gonna tag the product. So just click on Tag Products, and instead of adding the link, you're gonna click on Amazon, and here you will simply search for the product name. So it's this easy. You're gonna select the product that you want, and it's already tagged, and since your Amazon account is connected to your Pinterest, it's gonna track all your sales like a normal affiliate link would do. So it's this easy. Now you simply have to publish your pin or schedule it later. Now at this point of the video, you already know how to tag your products, and if you want to have your pin products be seen and your pins on Pinterest have more traffic and more views, make sure to watch this video next because I will teach you my 5 proven steps on how to grow on Pinterest.